The 2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser V8 is here, redefining the compact luxury off-road segment with an unmatched blend of rugged capability, refined elegance, and cutting-edge technology. Designed to carry forward the legendary Land Cruiser DNA, this downsized powerhouse delivers all the strength and durability expected from the iconic nameplate, now in a more agile and city-friendly package. The bold exterior design features a squared-off stance, a massive front grille with chrome accents, and signature LED headlights that give it a commanding presence. The high ground clearance, muscular wheel arches, and robust skid plates make it clear that this is a vehicle built for adventure, while the compact dimensions ensure effortless maneuverability in urban environments. Under the hood, the 2026 Baby Land Cruiser V8 packs a powerful 4.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, delivering an impressive 400 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. Mated to a responsive 10-speed automatic transmission, this engine provides seamless acceleration and exceptional towing capabilities. Toyota's legendary four-wheel drive system, featuring a multi-terrain select mode and locking differentials, ensures supreme off-road prowess. Whether tackling rocky trails, deep sand, or snowy roads, this SUV is engineered to conquer it all with ease. The adaptive suspension system intelligently adjusts to terrain changes, providing a smooth and controlled ride, while the precise steering response and enhanced chassis rigidity make highway cruising equally enjoyable. Inside, the Baby Land Cruiser V8 combines luxury with practicality, offering a premium cabin designed for both comfort and adventure. The interior is crafted with high-quality materials, featuring soft touch leather seats with ventilation and heating functions. The spacious cockpit is centered around a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrating wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 12.3-inch, fully digital instrument cluster displays crucial driving data with crystal-clear precision. Advanced voice controls and an intuitive rotary dial make navigating through infotainment settings effortless, while the premium JBL sound system immerses passengers in crystal-clear audio. Toyota has equipped this SUV with state-of-the-art safety and driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for unparalleled visibility. The new AI-powered off-road assist system actively monitors terrain conditions, adjusting torque distribution and braking force in real time to optimize traction. Additionally, an advanced heads-up display projects critical driving information onto the windshield, ensuring drivers stay focused on the road ahead. The 2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser V8 is more than just a compact SUV. It's a statement of power, luxury, and versatility. Designed for those who demand the best of both worlds, it blends legendary off-road heritage with modern sophistication, making it the ultimate choice for adventurers and urban explorers alike.